there are 100 questions in GS, okay? And say we have 3 type of questions, L1, L2, L3. Most of us know what I mean by these terms. L1 are straight questions, which you should know, which is in your notes, which you have read in the books. L3 questions are the applied ones, the tricky ones, the more difficult ones, and the transition ones are the L2 types. Fine? Ideally, what should be the distribution of the questions? Ideally, I'll say 33.33, 33.33, 33.33. Ideal. Okay. 1/3 are very easy questions. 1/3 are very tough questions. 1/3 बीच में. But if I ask you, tell me, ऐसे होता है क्या? When you make a paper, आप क्या करोगे बताओ? What will you do? What will you try to do when you're making a paper? A smart paper, when you frame it, how will you distribute the questions? You will have approximately maybe 10 questions which are very, very tough. जिसमें कि I'm sure 2-3 are absurd types also. Okay, these are traps types. अगर बच्चा यहां फंस रहा है, he is missing something in terms of understanding. And you will not keep as much as easy. I think most of you will play with in this range. It's like, when I'm teaching something, if I ask all tough questions, you'll get a wrong score. If I ask all easy, okay, I'll again get wrong score of yes, you're right. I mean, इसमें there's no rocket science. आप खुद बैठ देखो. Okay, I think most of you will agree कि 20-25 range में, okay, you will have L1 questions. 10 questions छोड़ दो आप, which are the unsolvable ones. Remaining questions में, say about 70, okay, or say 75, इस range में, this may be plus something here. Some difficult ones भी यहाँ पर होंगे. So if you look at the breakup, my breakup looks like 20-25 सवाल will be L1 types, L2 plus L3 will be approximately about 55-60 types. Okay, a bit more tougher will be 10 more, and another 10 which I don't expect students will answer this. If I'm designing the paper, okay, इसी में ही होगा, plus or minus questions here, plus or minus questions here. So this is part one part of the question paper, a second part of question paper, a third part of question paper, and a fourth part of question. And the questions are randomly distributed. Okay. Now, when you are a student, or you are a mentor, and the mentor, as a mentor, you know कि paper में there are 4 type of questions asked. What will you tell a child? What he should do? He should do, यार इसको गलत मत करो, right? Think of yourself as a mentor. आप mentor हो, okay, and you're guiding somebody. I'm sure you'll tell him, L1 गलत मत करो. If you make L1 mistake, you're losing a very important mark. And you'll tell him, कि identify these questions and leave them quickly. यहां पर फंसने का मतलब है, you will mess up your own confidence. And you'll tell him, कि try playing your game here. Okay? And this exactly happens in the actual paper also. People who qualify, they are those who don't miss this. एक आध mistake, चलो ठीक है, होता है. Any mistake here, आप क्या बोलोगे? It's a silly mistake. Any mistake here could also mean your concepts are wrong. आप confidently you are saying ये right है, और actual wrong answer का मतलब क्या है? Your concepts are wrong. And I can't afford this at all. And remember I said, to qualify, you need to keep target of getting 60 correct. or about 50 plus correct. I just gave a breakup right now. 50 plus correct का मतलब है the 50 can't come from this. It has to come from here.